at all costs, an intensity beyond measure, a will second to none. High-performance athletes don't miss a practice, and they don't give up. They've got guts. Constantly raising the bar on their last race, last meet, and last qualifying round to beat the only competition that matters, themselves. Because high-performance athletes push harder, they need to recover faster. That's why Kaizen has developed Kaizen Performance Series, a new performance line of products that addresses the specific needs of these athletes. The founding product in this series, Pure Native Isolate, features an innovative native whey protein formula designed to promote advanced muscle power recovery. Our Pure Native Isolate begins with a single ingredient, only the highest quality, freshest skim milk, sourced from small farms in France that raise cattle free of antibiotics and RBST. The protein extracted from pure, quality milk is the beginning of improved muscle recovery, increased muscle performance, and optimized muscle potential. Pure Native Isolate is derived from wholesome skim milk that is naturally low in fat and processed at a low temperature. It is extracted through a clean and gentle process and pasteurized only once, preserving the key fractions of the milk, the native whey. This process is unlike typical whey proteins, which undergo pasteurization twice, once for the milk and once for the cheese. Like all of our whey proteins, Pure Native Isolate is cold processed and micro and ultra filtered. The remaining bioactive and natural properties deliver one of the most nutritious proteins on the market with minimal processing. The result is a product naturally rich in essential amino acids, including 30% more leucine and 32% more arginine, which promotes muscle synthesis and recovery. Kaizen Performance Pure Native Isolate is low in lactose and gluten-free for optimal digestion. It contains more protein per scoop at 30 grams per serving and is third-party certified by NSF, a leader in independent testing. Every ingredient has been tested for identity and purity, meaning what's listed on the label is exactly what's in the bottle and nothing else. With Pure Native Isolate, muscle power recovery begins in only 30 minutes, which helps to support muscle growth and performance. A clean, pure product from start to finish means high-performance athletes don't have to compromise on what they put into their bodies or the effort they put out. Get the most out of your workout with Kaizen Performance Series Pure Native Isolate. Push harder, recover faster.